Are you still using regular moving averages and struggling to receive adequate results? Today we show you the top 3 best trading indicators that are 10x better than classic moving averages. Moreover, we will show you highly profitable strategies with these magic indicators. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, known as QuantAlgo. This algo tells you when to buy and when to sell, giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Without further ado, let's get to the first topic and consider the moving average alternative that holds third place in our list. So, go to the Indicators tab, type JFD Adaptive, and add this exact indicator. The indicator represents a Kaufman Adaptive Moving Average with the option to make it Zurich Fractal Dimension Adaptive, which also includes a Garmin Class Yangjiang Historical Volatility Filter to reduce the market noise. With that, let's overview this indicator and then adjust its settings. As you probably know, we can use moving averages as a trigger event component or as a confirmation component in our strategy. Today we consider both types of indicators. When it comes to JFD Adaptive, we found it to demonstrate better results as a trigger event indicator. So, as we can see, the indicator has one main line that can be either green or red. With that being said, when the indicator line changes its color to green, we receive a bullish bias, meaning that we can consider entering the trade long. Alternatively, when the JFD adaptive line becomes red, we have a bearish bias and can jump into the short trade. Moving on to the complete trading strategy, we use JFD adaptive indicator in combination with Lyapunov-Hodrick-Prescott and RSI past indicators. At this point, let's take a look at a complete trade example with these indicators. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. As can be seen, the JFD adaptive turns green right here, so that we have a buy signal. Next, the Lyapunov-Hodrick-Prescott oscillator line also has a green color. Finally, the RSI past area is colored green. We enter here and set stop loss below the recent low while targeting a 1.5 for 1 risk to reward ratio. Bingo, the price successfully hits our take profit. So, we backtested this trading system 100 times on the euro-dollar, a 5-minute time frame, and received a 70% win rate and more than 330% equity growth figure in less than 2 months. Apart from that, if you want to learn the optimal settings for the last 2 indicators and other essential rules, feel free to catch up on the full video with this strategy. Now, let's move on to our second moving average alternative. By the way, all today's strategies were backtested with software from Trader Edge since it is one of the most efficient backtesting tools available on the market. Thousands of traders are using Trader Edge to get an edge on their competition. This intuitive and easy-to-use backtester gets up to 3 times faster results than using classic spreadsheets. Also, Pandel Calendar and Trade Journal enables you to track your trades and identify what's working and what's not. Finally, the Indicators and Strats tab shows you the most profitable indicators and strategies that can be implemented in your trading. In addition, you will receive a full step-by-step backtesting guide, a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, and 4 pre-made high-quality strategies, worthing over $470 for free. Trader Edge has a 7-day free trial, so there's absolutely no risk. Click the link in the description below. With that, open the Indicators tab, type Momentum Deviation Bands, and choose this indicator. Momentum Deviation Bands use a variation of standard deviation, enabling us to leverage another type of volatility. More precisely, the indicator uses momentum instead of utilizing the price to calculate the standard deviation. Before we start optimizing the indicator settings, open the Inputs tab and disable all show level options to keep the chart clean. It's important to note that we use this indicator as a second confirmation, which means we want the line to be green to confirm a buy signal printed by any trigger event indicator. Applying the same logic, the momentum MA line should have a red color to validate the sell signal issued by the trigger event indicator. Now, let's optimize its settings and view an amazingly powerful trading strategy with the usage of this indicator. So, open the Inputs tab and change the period to 50. Next, you need to add a KNN-based strategy and Step MA filtered stochastic indicators. Again, the optimal settings for these indicators can be found in the full video. So, the KNN indicator printed a blue label right here, sending us a buy signal. Then, the Step MA stochastic line has a green color, and what's more principally, is below the 80 level. Lastly, the Momentum Deviation MA line is colored green, so that we enter the trade right here, with a stop loss below the latest low and 1.5 for 1 RR take profit. Bingo, our target was hit. With that, this strategy demonstrated an amazing win rate of 74% in backtest, while the account growth figure came in at 427%. Also, those 100 trades were found in less than 1 month. As for now, let's consider our top indicator, which we prefer to use over regular moving averages the most. Before we continue, we want to share with you our top private indicator, QuantAlgo, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access QuantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this, algo will put you at a disadvantage. So, go to the indicators window, search for STD filtered, and choose this indicator. The indicator represents a Gaussian filter with standard deviation filtering that works for orders higher than the usual 4 poles that were originally available in Eller's Gaussian filter formulas. As a result, it is a sort of generalized Gaussian filter that can calculate arbitrary pole Gaussian filter and which makes it a sort of unique indicator. Again, we're going to use STD filtered indicator as a trigger event due to its insane performance. So, trading rules are quite apparent here. We should wait for the indicator line to become green to receive an unverified signal for the trade long, while the STD filtered color change to red gives us an early signal for the trade short. It is also worth mentioning that we kept all indicator settings by default in this case. When it comes to the trading strategy, we combined this trigger event indicator with RSI and RSI past indicators. Don't forget to check the optimal parameters in the full video. For now, let's view a complete live example. With that, the STD indicator's line becomes green here, which sends us an early buy signal. Next, we have a green RSI bar, and what's more important, it is close to the median orange line and below the 5.5 level. Finally, the RSI past area has a green color. We open long trade here, placing a stop below the latest low and targeting 1.5 for 1 risk to reward. Once again, the price easily hit our target. In terms of performance, the strategy showed one of the highest win rates on our channel at 80%, while generating a net equity gain of more than 600% in over 2.5 months. So, if you're enjoying the video, leave a like on it and subscribe to our channel, as it always motivates us to release more new content more often. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.